Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. So let's jump right in. Let's start with Venmo. Open the app and make sure you're on the Me tab, located at the bottom right of your screen. Under the Wallet section, you'll see your available Venmo balance. You can see how much I have here. Tap the big blue Transfer Balance button next to that amount. You'll now see two options. Instant Transfer. This moves your money to your bank in minutes, but it comes with a small fee. In my case, there's a fee showing here. Keep in mind the fee depends on how much you're transferring. Standard Transfer. This option takes 1 to 3 business days, but has no fees. Since I want to avoid paying a fee, I'll go ahead and select the 1-3 business days option and tap Transfer. That's it, the money is now on its way to my bank account. Once the transfer is complete and the funds reach your bank, it's time to open Cash App. Inside Cash App, make sure you're on the Money tab, which is the $ on the bottom left. Here, you'll see your current Cash App balance again. You can see how much I have here. To add the money we just transferred from Venmo, tap Add Cash. Then tap the 3 dots to enter a custom amount. Type in the amount you want to add and hit Add. You might be asked to scan your face or enter your PIN for verification. Once done, the money will appear instantly in your balance. As you can see, my total has updated. And that's it. You've now successfully moved money from Venmo to Cash App.